Skiing is more than just a sport. It is a visceral experience defined by speed, stunning alpine vistas, and the rush of carving down fresh powder. The ideal action camera for skiing needs rugged waterproofing without extra housing, exceptional electronic stabilization to smooth out the jarring bumps of choppy terrain, and crucially, a battery that will not die instantly when the thermometer drops. Here we have best action cameras for skiing.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have GoPro Hero Action Camera. The GoPro Hero name remains synonymous with action sports for good reason, offering a streamlined experience that prioritizes ease of use on the slopes. For skiers who want to simply hit the record button and immediately drop into a black diamond run without fussing over complex settings, this camera line delivers reliable performance in an incredibly durable package. It features the robust waterproofing and rugged build quality that the brand is famous for, effortlessly handling heavy snow spray and occasional wipeouts. Furthermore, its seamless integration into the massive existing ecosystem of proprietary mounts means you can easily attach it to your helmet, ski pole, or chest harness for the perfect point-of-view shot, ensuring stable, high-quality 4K footage of your descent every time. On number 2, we have GoPro Max 2. For those looking to capture the entirety of their alpine environment rather than just a single angle, the GoPro Max 2 represents the cutting edge of 360-degree filming for winter sports. Skiing is not just about what is directly in front of you, but the entire panoramic experience of the mountain range. A 360 camera allows you to film everything simultaneously and then reframe the footage later during the editing process, selecting the best angles of yourself or your friends skiing behind you without ever having to aim the camera while moving. Capture incredible pole-mounted shots where the extension pole completely disappears from view. Simply attach the Max 2 to an extension pole using the built-in 1x420 mounting thread on the bottom of the camera, and the pole is automatically removed from your videos and photos. The result is effortless invisible selfies, dramatic drone-like aerial angles, and other signature 360-degree shots that look like they were filmed by another person. With the GoPro Quick app, you can easily reframe your footage, create multiple videos from different angles, and fine-tune stabilization and horizon lock after recording to achieve exactly the look you want. On number 3, we have DJI Osmo Action 6. The DJI Osmo Action series has become a formidable contender in the action camera market, and iterations leading to the Osmo Action 6 have focused heavily on solving the biggest pain point for skiers: reliable battery life in extreme cold. DJI's advanced battery technology is engineered to resist freezing temperatures that often sap the power rapidly from lesser cameras, ensuring you can keep recording during long, frigid chairlift rides and extended backcountry runs. The all-new 1x1.1 square sensor significantly enhances image quality, delivering rich colors and crisp 4K video for vlogging, sports, and underwater adventures. Designed for endurance, the camera supports up to 4 hours of recording in normal conditions and features cold-resistant performance that keeps it running even in low temperatures, making it a reliable 4K camera for creators and action enthusiasts alike. It can connect directly to 2 DJI microphone transmitters at the same time, capturing dual-channel, high-quality audio without the need for a receiver, ideal for interviews, sports coverage, and content creation. With 50 gigabytes of built-in storage, you can record longer without changing memory cards, ensuring your 4K action camera is always ready to capture every moment. On number 4, we have Akaso Brave 7 Liters E. Not every skier needs professional-grade cinematic tools to enjoy capturing their memories, and the Akaso Brave 7 Liters E proves that you can get impressive on-slope performance without carrying a premium price tag. This camera serves as an excellent entry point for recreational skiers and families who want to document their winter vacation without breaking the bank. It offers essential rugged features like IPX7 water resistance right out of the box and respectable 4K recording capabilities. Crucially, it includes dual-screen functionality, featuring a front-facing display that is incredibly helpful for framing group selfies on the summit or ensuring your goggles are straight before dropping into a run, making it a highly practical choice for budget-conscious winter sports enthusiasts. So these are some of the best action cameras to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.